In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find groups in Telegram. So you can find 10,000 plus group in one section. So first, I open Telegram on my mobile phone. Now I need to click on this charge button. Then here I type SEARCH charge bot bot. Then you can see I found first one the and just open. So you can see now I need to click on just start. Then I need to choose a language, so I select English. So here's the main thing. So you can see here's the category. So you can select news, blogs, politics, economics, career, lifestyle, travel, uh, lots of things here are available. So if I click on technologies, so you can see I found technologies lots of groups. So you can see all the group here are available. So if I going some on, just I open this one, then just click on open channel. So you can see this is a Telegram channel I found from here. If you click on join, that's it. So this is the method how we can find groups in Telegram, at least 10,000 or plus. I don't know, unlimited group. That's it. So if you have found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe this channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.